Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Lexus key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Next, locate the small slot on the side of your Lexus key fob. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the key fob case. This action should separate the two halves of the fob, revealing the internal components. Once the key fob is open, you will see the internal circuit board and the old battery. Take care not to touch the circuit board directly. The battery is typically held in place by small clips. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old CR2032 battery out of its compartment. Be careful not to damage the battery terminals or the surrounding plastic during this step. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. On another note, after successfully fixing your key, you might want to relax with a good book. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading anywhere, whether you're at home or on the go. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment. Ensure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of your Lexus key fob. Carefully press them together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Test your key fob to ensure it functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.